The Health Department on Monday distributed mobile tablets to the Asha workers and the facilitators at a function held at the conference room of the Pasteur Institute. Addressing the gathering, Health Minister Ampreen Lyngdoh said that the objective for providing the mobile tablets to the Asha workers and facilitators was to make them more productive and improve the quality of services they provide. The government has sanctioned an amount of Rs 15 crore through the National Health Mission Asha program for the distribution of the mobile tablets.
The investment of a donkam, but the investment of a say so.
The district legal